In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the context menu in Draw.io. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Draw.io, also known as Diagrams.net. When the editor loads, you'll see the canvas, a toolbar at the top, and panels around the sides. That's all you need for this quick task. To bring up the context menu, simply perform a right-click on the canvas. If you're on a mouse, that's the right button. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. On a Mac, Control-click is a reliable alternative. On touch devices, a brief long press often triggers the same menu. The goal is the same, a contextual menu that appears exactly where you click, offering actions relevant to what you clicked on. If you right-click on empty space, the menu focuses on canvas-level options. Depending on your setup, you might see choices related to pasting items you've copied, arranging layers, toggling grid or snapping behavior, or opening helpful panels. This is handy when you're organizing the page as a whole. If you right-click directly on a shape or connector, the menu becomes object-aware. Expect options such as duplicate, delete, bring to front or send to back, group or ungroup, lock, edit text, and quick style or formatting entries. It's a fast way to reach the most common actions without hunting through the top menus. If your browser's default menu appears instead of the Draw.io one, try clicking slightly inside the canvas area, not on the browser's Chrome, and make sure extensions aren't intercepting right clicks. Usually, a second try on the main canvas area does the trick. Once the menu is open, move your pointer carefully so it stays visible, then choose the action you need. If you change your mind, click anywhere outside the menu or press Escape to close it. That's all there is to it. Menus often include arrows that open sub-menus. Pause for a moment to reveal them without clicking away. Many entries mirror commands in the Arrange or Edit menus at the top, so think of right-click as the fastest path to those same tools. If secondary click is disabled on your device, enable it in your system settings to make this workflow smooth. You now know how to open the context menu in Draw.io and why it's useful. Use it on the canvas for global options and on individual shapes for object-specific controls. With this quick technique, you'll work faster, keep your hands closer to the canvas, and spend less time digging through menus. Thanks for watching, and happy diagramming.